Welcome to J&J Auto Working's test video for LDSC449. This is a very special 2013 Scion FRS, and I'm about to show you guys why. She's got Lambo doors. We had no idea how cool this thing was when we bought it. We just thought it was a Scion with a body kit and good miles, but here we are, 2 Lambo doors, some fake 3-piece wheels, a bunch of glitter tint later. We got ourselves a pretty good parts car here. Oh, the hood almost fell. That was close. Go ahead and put the hood down here so we can check out this awesome aftermarket hood. Little did we know this thing has been painted on all over. I think it has about 3 quarts of Bondo in the left rear. Check that out. Whoever owned this sucks so much at driving they wrecked it twice in the same area. If this is your car, sorry. Anyway, I love this. How do I get these on my truck? I need this in my life. And they don't even stay up. Imagine taking somebody out on a date and you cut her head off like the guillotine. Oh, they bounce. Kobe. This is so good. Let's step inside here and fire this bad boy up. Oh, wow. Nope, she said not today.
Did you adjust it?
Well, while Mason checks out the jump box situation here, I'm going to try to get these seats into a more comfortable position. What is going on in here? All right, there's Mason there. Let's see what we got. Nothing, man. Okay. Well, the jump box is dead, so this is the awkward part of the video where I hold the camera and talk about how good the interior is in this car. We do have some very nice stitched door panels here. Black leather with the red stitching. Steering wheel matches as well. We've got a good driver's bag in it. Super bass radio. For all the fanciness, they couldn't even buy a Walmart double din. And here's the other problem. The shifter. It's automatic. Lambo doors, body kit, wheels, all this stuff. You couldn't even buy a manual. Yikes. All right, we've got power again. Let's see what's going on here. Maybe. There we go. There is the Subaru motor running extremely well. I'm going to step out here so you guys can hear it. These doors are absolutely terrible. They leave you no room to get out of. There it is, the Subaru. Look, right there. It says it right there. Subaru. There is a Subaru Boxer engine running well. We're going to be selling that motor, transmission, and everything else. Give her a couple of revs, Mason. Woo! Look at all that junk coming out of the tailpipe. It appears to us that this car does have an aftermarket header on it, and obviously it's got an exhaust. We're going to rip all that off and get it for sale. I think it might have suspension underneath it as well. We're going to run it through the shop and check all that out. But what a nice car. Rear bumper's in good shape. Hatch is in good shape as well, both taillights. This wheel did not make it. I know everybody's going to ask about the wheels. This one's got a pretty nasty bend in it. I'm not sure if you guys can fix that. Looks like she's got a little bit of rashage right there too, yeah. I think that wheel took some of the impact. You probably should not try to use that. Let me go ahead and step back inside here so I can test out the transmission. This is horrible. How do you do this?
I got you.
Thanks, bro. Close me into the Batmobile. It doesn't even, it lines up so terrible. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and test out the transmission here. We've got reverse, we've got drive. Now there's this really cool squiggly button right here. And when you press it, that happens. Nah, she's not gonna spin them. Oh well, it is what it is. Let's test out the climate control really fast. That all works. Shut it down so you guys can hear. And then the super bass Scion right up doesn't have enough power. But nobody cares about that super bass radio anyways. We know it works and we tested it. All right. Just trying to get the key out, whatever. Now we get to do this again. I'm just gonna slide out. You know what? I'm actually gonna end the video in here so you guys don't have to watch my butt crack as I try to get out of this thing. Oh, wait, Mason gave me an assist. Andy, whoa, hey, what's up, Andy? All right, that is gonna wrap it up for LDSC449, our super cool FRS. I keep wanting to call it an 86. Super cool 2013 Scion FRS, Toyota, Subaru, all of those wrapped up into one. If you guys are looking for any parts off of this unit, we're gonna have them on our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-15